Hello guys, just received your eCOPR and wondering how to track your PR card? Well, this quick guide will walk you through the steps to track your PR card status after receiving. Alright, after your virtual landing is complete, IRCC will issue your eCOPR in your PR portal. Make sure your address and photo were submitted and approved in the portal. This starts the PR card process. After that notification, once IRCC approves your photo and address, you'll usually get an email saying your PR card is being processed. After that, you can log in to your IRCC secure account at canada.ca. After that, click on View Submitted Applications. Find your PR card application under the Permanent Residence. You might see status updates like Submitted or In Progress. Use IRCC Application Status Tracker as well. You can visit the tracker, log in using your UCI and other identification details. This tool gives real-time updates if your card has been mailed or is in production. As of 2025, PR cards typically take 4 to 6 weeks after eCOPR approval, though delays can happen. And that's how you track your PR card after receiving your eCOPR. If you found this guide helpful, guys, don't forget to like and check the description for useful links and information. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.